Direct replacement. This power steering fluid reservoir fits and functions like original equipment for a trouble-free installation. Complete assembly, includes reservoir and reservoir cap. Reliable performance, built to withstand excessive heat and vibration. Quality tested. This part has undergone on vehicle testing to ensure a quality fit and long service life. Ensure fit. To make sure this part fits your exact vehicle, input your make, model and trim level into the garage tool. This replacement power steering fluid reservoir is manufactured from quality materials to withstand the stresses of underhood heat and engine vibration. It is thoroughly tested to ensure optimum fit on specific vehicle applications. This part is compatible with the following vehicles. Before purchasing, enter your vehicle trim in the garage tool to confirm fitment. Top reviews from the United States. Fixed my Town and Country. My 2006 Town and Country power steering pump is nice and quiet now. The seal on the factory eventually wears out, causing air to escape and power steering pump to make an awful winding noise. This solved the problem. Quick shipping, great seller.